Hello, my name is Damian Agosto, and today I will be performing Stronger from Hands on a Hardbody. I was cutting up, acting like a fool, the day those two recruiters showed up at our school. And I swore he was looking right at me when he told me I could be all I could be. I was a baby, newly married, with a baby that she carried. I was lost and looking for my way. And then he asked me, do I love the USA? Gotta hope they take me, 'cause he swore they would make me stronger than that coward I kept hid. Stronger, turn that 98-pound kid into a strong man. And by God they did. Wish I held my wife a little longer, but it only made me stronger. It only made me stronger. Now I've marched till I was blind through desert sands, slept in mud, someone's blood upon my hands, swept through minefields, stayed up fighting 4 nights straight, helped a woman, seen her look at me with hate. Once I saw a young girl dying, father holding her and crying, begged me please to help, what could I do? She was dead, and if I stayed, I'd be dead too. I seen things past all knowing, and yet I kept on growing stronger than I was the day before. Stronger, like you have to be in war. I know what the future holds in store, and I don't fear it any longer. Hell, it only makes me stronger. Standing here beside this truck, I know just how to be. All my training's coming back so quick and easily. I never felt more sure, I never felt more free. It's just every other part of life that's baffling to me. Stronger, I just tell myself I can. Stronger, be a providing husband for the man. Somewhere I lost track of the plan. I don't really have one any longer. All I need to be is strong. Hold down a 9 to 5. More than half alive. How come I was the one to survive? 'Cause I don't feel like living any longer. I don't feel like living any longer. I don't feel like living any longer. And I really should be. Oh, I thought I would be. God, I wish I could be. If God, won't you take me? Then by God, won't you make me stronger.